You know, it's the age-old problem, isn't it? Owning a Defender when your mirrors are doing that. That's what's happening to mine. Yeah, there's nothing worse than your mirror doing that, especially when you're driving on the motorway at speed and your mirror starts doing that. So I got something I'm going to be fitting today on here that hopefully will cure that and stop this problem of this ball and clamp not holding properly. I think we've all been there, haven't we, when the mirrors start doing that, or they just don't tighten up anymore. Let's have a look what we're going to be fitting. So what we're fitting is from Optimill Mirror Clamps. So you've got instructions there, step-by-step instructions. Put them to one side. So what we got in the box? We've got some nuts and bolts or stuff. So I've had a look at these obviously. So there's a clamp. So that goes in your mirror. So you need to take your mirrors off, and then you've got two bottom pieces then, which have got the O on them for the Optimill logo. So basically, it would sit like that. Let me do this without dropping them. So that will clamp around the ball, slide that in, and then you've got some bolts that come with some bolts. Weren't too fussed on these, so I went out and bought some stainless steel. So hopefully they'll include stainless steel ones in the future. All nicely made, CNC machined. So you've got the little logo on there for the O. So I bought these at Malvern. So these are new for this year. I bought them in June 2025. They cost me 70 quid, which it is a bit of money to be honest with you for some clamps, but hopefully they will solve the issue of the mirrors from moving. I have tried all sorts of stuff with Loctite. I put a bit of polythene around the ball and tightened it up and what have you, but yeah. And the mirrors on my Defender you've just seen, they are slightly larger than standard, so they do move about a bit as well. But hopefully that will hopefully then will solve the issue. Right, let's have a look and get these mirrors off and get these installed. Right, so I need to take these mirrors off. First I'm going to take the rubber seal off first. Hopefully it'll come off all right. Get this off. For those who've been watching a little while, I've got heated mirrors in here. So I'll turn this around, you can see it now. So I've got two little elements here, so just be careful getting these out. There you go. Bit of green on there, so we'll put them safe. So yeah, there's the elements I fitted a couple of years ago. Well, I think about a year and a half ago, maybe I'd done a video on that. Put them to one side. So the next job now is to get this Allen key out of here. Yeah, this mirror head has had a bit of a bang, to be honest with you, and seen better days. So get this. These normally rust up in here. There you go. So all I need to do now is just push these wires through if I can. I should be able to. I'll only do one at a time. There you go, there's the plate out. So that's all fine. That just needs a bit of a clean up. I'll get this one off. Yeah, so these are quite old technology, really, old sort of fashion. These normally rust out. And but if you look in there, I've tried to repair it. It's all cracked. I think what happened a couple of years ago, it's just broken all off inside. A couple of years ago I was parked up and I think somebody bashed into this and sort of cracked it, and then of course it's just wear and tear, isn't it? Right, like I say, I got new mirror heads to go on, so that's what we'll do next. Give us a bit of a clean up, and then I'll show you how we're going to be fitting those Optimill clamps to go on this ball here. So on these ones, you've got an O-ring on there as well. Let's get these new things fitted. So I picked up a set of these mirrors quite a few years back. These are the Leyland Daft, and there's the part number mirror head. So I picked up a pair of these at the Billet Off-Road show a couple of years ago. So I'm going to take this rubber seal off, and then I'll show you the in. So they've got the old-fashioned clamps in there as well, but we'll be taking all that off. So I'm going to get this off. So they're removed now. So the next thing we need to do is grab your Optimill clamp. So we're going to put him in. So you've got two holes there. Trying to show you on here. click that in, and then you get one clamp for the bottom. So we need to offer that up to the mirror and anything else, and then same the other side as well. So that's what we're going to do next. Get that on, get the glass fitted back on, and hopefully that'll be nice and firm. So these are the larger type, but they fit on the standard Defender mirrors. These clamps will as well, and that is solid on there. I think that's going to be a good 3-point contact. So there you go, I've got the clamp in. I've done the bottom one, the 2 in just loose, so I'm just going to put this other one in now on this side, if I can see what I'm doing. So there you go, got the top clamp in, just got to put the mirror back on, and then the seal. But yeah, I don't know much of that you can see underneath. So at the moment it's fairly loose, the 3 bolts, a lot of copper grease on there. That feels sturdy already. And then do the other side. So I'm just going to put these heating elements back on. Back on there. And then this, it's quite new, obviously this mirror is new, so this rubber is pretty good. So let's line that up, that's alright there. And there we go. Right, that's all on. All I need to do now is just nip that up. And that side's done. Do the same the other side. There you go guys, just in the nick of time. It's just starting to rain. So there you are, a set of mirror clamps for your Defender from Optimill. Straightforward enough to fit and everything else. So hopefully that will stop the issue of these moving about. So if you like the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment as well. I love to have comments as well on my videos. And I'll catch you in the next one. Oh, don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. Until the next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.